Shit.
You guys, we will push from the back of the store. I need the heli ready in about 4 or 5 minutes when we start hitting them with damage. So we broke the armors, we push the heli on the roof. Just watch the apartment for Daniel. He will take the apartment. Want to push. Everyone follow DP1 and get behind the store.
Cyrus, is this
Okay, enter the area of operations. Heli be in standby.
All that.
I need some air ammunition to scout.
Yeah. Can you pitch me up? Pitch me up. So I'll give you some of your. Fuck, wait.
Dude, leave the area. Don't push me off, don't push me off. What the fuck, why are there people just running around with no guns? What the hell? Families is going crazy.
Okay, 3 down, 3 down.
anyone has food? Anyone has food? Little
No.
No food.
Alex, give me little food. please.
3 of them are down. Four down, 4 down.
Lincoln, please patch me up. Lincoln, patch me up. I'm very low. Lincoln,
Guys, watch the back on the
I
right.
need air
So can we have the
ammunition,
heli
I have only
stop?
60 left.
I have none, I have none.
anyone patch me up? Anyone of you, anyone for you. Okay. Anyone has food?
And then, Gustav, have
Another
to
2 down,
there.
another 2 down. Another 3 down.
I
Okay, I'm
swear
gonna
a
be
guy
placing
shot
these
at me
cuffs.
from
We need the helis. We need the
There you
helis now.
Okay, placing you in cuffs. Here you go. Okay, everyone push.
Don't push. What are you doing, guys? Come on, go back, go back. Don't push for fuck's sake. Hush, where's your fucking heli, bro?
It's not our heli. I told you.
Can I get some air ammunitions, guys?
Another down.
Guys, move, move, move. Move, 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 move.
The store number 9.
Put them all in cuffs.
Six
Put them
down,
all in.
six down,
store.
six down.
Ah, Guys, you're shooting.
Six
I
down.
have a shotgun. I can take care of them. Okay, what the fuck, dude? Again from outside the area of operations? You gotta be fucking kidding me.
They're shooting from outside of the area, man. Can I get some air munitions? Can I get some air ammunitions, buddy? Yo, can I get some air ammunitions?
I don't have any myself. That's why I'm trying to use a shotgun.
Yeah, I was kinda
Yeah,
good, man.
I'm trying to.
I did not
I'm trying to
took,
take.
weapons with me. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, I'm trying to take care of the guy who's shooting. What the fuck?
One more down, one more down. Eight down, eight down,
You
eight down, eight
dickhead.
down. NPC, 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 NPC.
Hey, stop it! Stop it! Stop it with that. He's outside. Move! 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 Guys, move! Move! Give me space. Leave that guy. Leave that guy who's outside. He's shooting from.
Yeah, bro, it's a fucking event rule, man. Yo, Cyrus, give me air ammunitions. Okay, I'm gonna be placing you in cuffs, guys. I'm gonna place you in cuffs.
I'm going to placing in cuff.
Bro, okay, we win. Okay, I'm gonna be patching you up. GG, guys. Okay, I'm gonna